Yeah, welcome to today's lesson is topic molarity. What we are trying to do today is molarity, and we are looking at the question which said, what is the molarity of a solution prepared by dissolving 15 grams of sodium hydroxide in enough water to make a total of 225 milliliter of a solution? That is the question given to us to handle. The major thing we are trying to deal here is how to calculate molarity. That's what this question is about, to teach us how to calculate what molarity. We'll go into solution. Without wasting time, we'll go into solution. We say that molarity is equals to number of moles in a solute of a solute, or in a solute, all over number of liters. The number of liters, or dm cubes, are 1000 cm cube. The same this molarity is equals to concentration, this means concentration in gram per liter, or gram per dm cube, or gram per cm cube, all over molar mass. That's the formula for molarity. The first one said number of moles of solutes over number of liter, or dm cube, or 1000 meter cube, or concentration in gram per liter, or gram per dm cube, or gram per cm cube over molar mass. Well, let us use number one. I'm using the first one. I'll still use the second one. You see, you get here the same answer using the two formula. Then I'm looking for number of mole. For me to calculate it, number of moles equals to, we said the reacting mass over molar mass. Reacting mass over molar mass. That is our number of moles. This reacting mass can be also said what? User mass. Reacting mass or user mass over molar mass. Then this leads me that I needed to what? Get my molar mass. My reacting mass is given to me. Reacting mass is given to me already. Reacting mass, which is mass used, is 15 grams. While my molar mass, we said molar mass of sodium hydroxide, molar mass of NaOH. This is atomic mass of this sodium is 23 atomic mass, plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16, plus atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. That gives me 40 as my molar mass. As I've gotten my molar mass, I can now say that number of moles, which I'm looking for, will now be my reacting mass, which is 15 over 40, and that will give me 0.375 mole. 0.375 mole. Then now I needed my number of liter. I've gotten my number of moles in a solute of a solute. Then I'm needing my number of liter. Then let's come here. I say number of liters is equals to reacting volume. I say reacting volume, or what we call used volume, reacting volume or used volume, all over standard volume, all over standard volume. What is my standard volume? My standard volume is 1 liter, or 1 dm cube, or 1000 cm cube is a standard volume. When you measure this, that means the standard volume in a chemistry. So now we'll come into that. Then now, what is my reacting volume? Where my reacting volume? Reacting volume is one use. Reacting volume is equals to 225 milliliter. That's what they give me. Are you get what I'm saying now? And then now, look at my reacting volume. So let me go straight to it without even writing it. Let me go straight to it. So since you have known that, how would I say my reacting volume? I would say number of what? Number of liter is equals to reacting volume, which is 225 milliliter divided by 1 liter. Then putting my 1 liter in milliliter, it will be what? 100 milliliter. And which is the same thing as converting this man to what? Liter. It will be what? 0.225 liter all over 1 liter. Somebody will say how? Milli. When I say milli, it stands by 10 raised to the power minus 3. So if you change this man, put 10 raised to the power minus 3, turns it towards 225, it will give you this in liter. Then divide by 1 liter. The same thing as this. This milli is 10 raised to the power minus 8 times 1000 will give me what? 1 liter. So that's why I put it in what? This way. Or you can now convert this to what? Liter and divide. Then remember, why did I use what? Liter here? Because the volume given to me used is in liter. If the volume used is in dm cube, I will divide by 1 dm cube. If the volume used is in centimeter cube, I will divide by what? Centimeter cube. That's why we listed this or this. So why I use liter is that the volume used is measured in liter. Then that's why I use what? 1 liter to divide. Then if the volume used is in what? dm cube, I will divide by 1 dm cube. If the volume used is in 1000 is cm cube, I will divide by 1000 cm cube. I think that one is clear to you. Then we have no what to by milliliter, which is 10 raised to the power minus 3. Then let's move. Then that means that my what number of what liter is going to be 0.225 liter. That's the number of liter that I use. Then now I will go back to my molarity. What my molarity said? Molarity said the number of what? Mole, number of mole of solutes over number of liters. And that will give me what is my number of my mole. The number of mole is given as 0.3375 divided by the number of liter, which is 0.225. And this will give me that my molarity, which is my answer, is 1.67, approximately 1.37. And that's my what? Molarity. I either write it in capital, that is the molarity. And this, or I can say 1.6 mole per what? Liter. This means per liter. This and this are the same thing. I think we are there. Or I can say is equals to 1.67 mole per dm cube. These are the same unit. Then I've used this formula and I got this. So let's use the other one. I said that the other one said molarity, quick, without wasting time, molarity is equals to concentration, this is short form of concentration in gram per liter or gram per dm cube. Gram per dm cube or gram per liter over molar mass. Over what? Molar over molar mass. And that's what I give in our formula there, over molar mass. Then gram per liter is I'm looking for gram per liter. Concentration in what? Gram per liter. First will be what? I will not say reacting mass over the number of liters used. And what is my reacting mass? My reacting mass is 15. Number of liter used is 0.225. And that will land me to, if we divide this, that will land you to, if we divide it, that will give me 6.6667, approximately 667. That's my concentration, which is mean what? Gram per liter. That's gram per liter. Unit, gram per liter, or I write it like this, gram liter. Are you get what I'm saying? Then now, this gram per liter, which is my what? Concentration in gram. Concentration in gram per liter. Then now, my molar mass. Then I cannot clean up here to address it properly, which is our final answer now. I will not say my, look at it. I will not say my molarity, which is a concentration in gram per liter or gram per gm cube or gram per cm cube over molar mass, which we have stated. Then my gram per liter, my gram per liter is already calculated. I have to substitute. I have 66.6667. My molar mass, which is what? 40. And when you divide this, we are going to arrive at approximately 1.67 molarity or 1.67 mole per liter. And that is our answer. So you can use this formula, number of moles of solute over number of liter, which I have explained to you, or you use concentration in gram per liter or gram per dm cube divided by molar mass. That's give me molarity as well. And I've used this to calculate. I have also used this to calculate for you. Then when you cool down, study this, put it in your brain. This is a method of calculating what? Molarity, concentration in molarity. This is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you for subscribing. Love this video, subscribe, share it to your friends, comment. Your comment helps us to what? Address some issues that we didn't address in this video. By your comment, we'll be able to sit well. Therefore, comment, love, like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. Why do you subscribe? Subscription is free. You subscribe to notify you. Immediately subscribe. Anytime you upload a video, new video, you will be notified automatically in your handset to watch such video. But if you didn't subscribe, whenever we upload video, you will be absent of that. So therefore, if you love what we're doing in this YouTube, subscribe. It's free. Share, love, share to your friends. Even your loved ones and the junior ones to know this before they come up to your level. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next class.